This is a Lionel standard gauge set from about 1914, featuring a square cab 53 engine and block lettered 180 series cars. The cars came from a New York dealer and the engine from a California dealer. Given the matching condition, I can't help wondering if I have reunited a set that was broken up. Unfortunately, in the age of eBay, breaking up sets and scattering their pieces to the four winds is all too common. The seller said this engine doesn't run, but I don't believe it. If a 100-plus-year-old Lionel engine is in this good a shape, it's unusual for it not to run, even if the old rubber insulation has crumbled off the wires. If the wires are not touching anything to create a short, the engine should run. And there you have it. It runs in both directions. Smell that ozone. Since the engine works, I've done a quick setup just to see the whole set run. Here it goes, without any tune-up or rewiring, without any repairs or cleaning or conservation. God knows when I'll get to all that.